Hello sir, my name is Sachikumar Prahlad Bhai Patel. My subject is Business Environment and Economic Principle. A presentation assessment 1 part B presentation content. My name is Sachikumar Prahlad Bhai Patel from Torrance University pursuing a course in the Business Environment and Economics Principle. I was a passionate about a business and economics, the main reason which made me choose the course. Due to excellent and experiences the business department in the university, I am looking forward in gaining enough knowledge and skill which enable me to understand the market more analyst. My understanding of business has the temporarily changed since the start of the course. Firstly, I have been able to understand the definition of activity as the product and selling of good and service to get a profit and satisfy society. I have been able to understand various business environment and the extent of business organization with the extent in the community. I have been able to learn that as a market analyst, it is a must to be able to understand both the internal and external factor which define the internal and external environment respectively. It is the hard to run a business and maintain the market for one does not understand the element with the organization and factor outside the organization with the effect the market. I can proudly say that my understanding of the business environment and economics concept. I have understand that one of the professional objective as the market analyst is to be able to help my client and employees to have will informed and decision about the market. The professional market accept me as a market analyst to be able to have a excellent and knowledge in the business environment and also how to business principle work on the business. Starting a business is another objective and it need a application of entrepreneurship skill learned during the subject this subject. To achieve this objective is the evident that I have a mandatory and manage will my studies. I should also ensure I am close to my expense to tutors and professor to ask for my assistance for challenging areas of also acquires and specializes knowledge in business of economics. Presentation question. During the course, I have been able to understand and define of business as the organization activity and the effort of individuals to produce good and service to gain profit service product or status of the society. I have also been able to understand that the economic principle refer to the server economics factor that effect of business surrounding by one way to other way include reason infection business environment. I have been realized that the business environment is the combination of the both external and internal factor which affect the opening situation of company. I have several professional goals as a business environment and economics principal and student. Firstly, I am looking forward to finishing this course with a good grade, which will make it easy to advance my employee. what I have learned in the business environment and the economic principle have lots of relation with the friends of in market.